Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can convert a screenshot to an editable Figma in Figma. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to log into our Figma account. Once logged in, click on the project that we will work on. After that, we're going to go to the bottom panel of our screen and select Actions. And then, in Plugins and Widgets, search for Podia AI. Click on it and then click Run. Podia AI will then ask you to log in your account. You can continue with either Google and GitHub, and after a few moments of logging in and putting on your credentials, this is what you're going to use to convert your screenshots into an editable Figma. After doing this step, you can directly upload your screenshots inside your Figma project. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!